Installing Pysox on Ubuntu via pip install cannot resolve Sox.H. I am trying to install the Pysox package using pip. Easy_install throws exactly the same error on Ubuntu 12.04.2 LTS. My system has installed. As well as the LibSound 2 plugins and LibSound 2 Python packages. I even pulled the Sox source and added ~Sox src Sox.H to my path, all to no avail. It's true that a find does not locate a Sox.H, even though my binaries all seem in order. The Pysox source does not seem contain Sox.H either. The Pysox official page states specifically you need Sox.H in your include path and libsox.so and libsox.a in your link path. But apart from compiling everything from source, I don't see how I can have those files just from the binary packages. Is it not possible to use normal package managers for this install? Do I need to compile, link and include everything myself? How does one install Pysox properly on Debian Ubuntu?
Okay, this was to be expected. Forgot to install the dev package for Sox, namely libsox dev. It wasn't obvious to me at first because the standard package is Sox, and the lib packages are all prefaced with libsox fmt, and there is very little documentation on this. Anyway, this is everything you'll need on a Debian machine to get the proper files in place for pip/easy_install to package manage your modules properly for Sox.
In case it helps, I had the same issue but got errors using. I did get it to work though by dropping the libsound requests, which no longer appear to be available. This is what worked for me. The process, I think, was only took me about 11 hours to work that out.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.